Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to have a look at some accessories that I ordered for my car lifts. Now you can see my 2-post lift in the background here, and look, I've got some other videos about this stuff already up on my channel and I'll link those videos down below for you. There will also be updated videos coming in the next few weeks hopefully on my 2-post hoist, which is right there, which we've got working now, and my 4-post hoist, which is next to us right here, which I've also got working. We'll have a quick look at them in this video, but I will be doing an in-depth review video on each one of those 2 hoists very shortly. Both of those hoists were bought from Joel's Garage Gear, and there's, like I said, there's already videos. I'll link those down below, so have a look at those if you're interested. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future reviews on the 2-post hoist from Joel's Garage Gear and the 4-post hoist from Joel's Garage Gear. But let's have a look at what we've got today. Now first up, we've got the Joel's Garage Gear transmission lift, which was quite easy to put together. It's on wheels, so I'm pretty happy about that. That makes it pretty easy. And it's got a chain here that you can use to secure your transmission. So these are fully adjustable. As you can see there, you just adjust these arms to fit your transmission. And then you jack it up with the jack to take the weight of your transmission. You can put your chain around your transmission and you just hook your chain on there. So you try and get that as tight as you can, and then you just tighten up those nuts down here to tension your chain up and secure your transmission to the transmission stand. And then you can unbolt your transmission, do whatever you want to do, and take it out of your car in safety. Okay, that's what this is all about. And this is also adjustable here for a level. Okay, so look, this seems like quite a good unit. I'm pretty happy with it, and I haven't used it yet, and I don't really have any need to pull out any transmissions right now. But I have taken out quite a few transmissions in my cars while the cars have been on car stands, and I've been on my back in the dirt dragging out transmissions and bench pressing transmissions under the car. And while you're under there, you're often balancing your transmission on the trolley jack. Look, it never works out well. I ordered this the same time I ordered both my hoists from Joel's Garage Gear. And the reason being, I didn't want to have to wait or mess around or pay for postage again when I needed to pull one of my transmissions out of one of my cars. So now I've got this here, I can sit it aside, and when I will use it, or when I do need it, it's there ready to go. So I would recommend buying one of these if you work on a lot of cars. And it's really up to you. And this will probably also work for differentials. You can probably put your diff on there and chain it down and use it the same way. Okay, so this is a pretty handy little thing, and I would probably, looking at the quality of it and how it's made, and look, it's made in China, but it seems well enough made. And it definitely will earn its money, I think, the first time you need it. Let's go and have a look at the next item that I also bought off Joel's Garage Gear. Okay, next up we've got a car stand for under the hoist, and I did buy 2 of these, and they do come in very handy. These are great if you're installing exhaust systems, because they will hold the exhaust up, you know, while you're welding things on the car. And they really do come in handy. And they're also a great safety thing if you want to put one of these under your car or under your hoist. And they're fully adjustable. They run really well. It works really good. And look, it's a basic little unit. And I really like it. I think it's well worth the money. I've got to give this a good review. And the final item we'll have a look at is the oil catch can system for oil changes. So you can just wheel this under your car, take your drain plug out, your oil will drain in here. And the good thing is it's got this little mesh there which will catch any sort of larger parts, or, you know, if you drop your sump plug in there, it doesn't end up going down into the tank. It stays in here, and any sort of other bits and pieces that might come out of your engine, which they hopefully won't, but they will be caught up in this mesh and they'll stay up here. So it's quite a large oil pan, and it's got a massive capacity down the bottom. I don't know how big, but I'm pretty sure you could do, you know, 20 or 30 or possibly more oil changes with this unit before you need to empty it. It's got an indicator there which will give you an idea how full of waste oil it is. So that's pretty good. So you know what your oil level is inside the tank there. It's got a handle there to wheel it around, which is also great. And this little valve here, you can connect your air compressor to it, and you can then pressurize this tank by turning on this, allowing the air compressor to pump air inside the tank, and then the oil inside the tank will come out of this hose here, which I keep just up there so it's tucked out of the way. And this is to empty the tank. So you can empty this tank into an old oil drum or oil containers to take to the waste depot, which is a great idea. Okay, makes it very easy to empty the tank. Again, I haven't used it yet. I'm actually about to use it today. I'm actually about to do an oil change on the Falcon here, which is sitting in the driveway in front of the shed waiting its turn. So I will be using this very, very shortly for the very first time. So I will film that. I mean, it won't be too exciting. It'll just be oil coming out of the sump going in there, and then hopefully draining down here. You've got a valve here too that you can turn on and off, a ball valve. So I'm assuming that is open and that is closed. So if you want the oil to just stay in there for whatever reason, you can close the valve, and then whenever you want it to drain out, you can open the valve and it will drain out. This thing here is also height adjustable. You can loosen it off here, and you can drop it down further if you want, or lift it up a little bit more if you want. So overall, I love this thing, and I did order these accessories when I did order the car hoists. So there's my car hoist here. Now my shed is an absolute mess at the moment. There's a pile of rubbish there and all sorts of stuff. So I'll just give you a look. The car hoist is now up and running. It's all working, and I will be doing a full review on that hoist very, very shortly. As you can see, here's the 4-post hoist, pile of rubbish underneath it, and it works. It's all up and running. You can see my ute up there, and there's just junk everywhere. I'm just in a massive cleanup at the moment. Building these hoists has taken up some of my time, and it's also created some mess as such. So there will be individual videos on each one of these 2 hoists, and I will discuss any problems I've had and how they work, and I will give you a rundown and I will show them working for you. So if you're interested in that, please leave a comment down below. Let me know you're interested. It might motivate me to make the video a little bit quicker. And don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I release my new videos. Now if you enjoyed this little video and if you've got any questions about anything that you saw today, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.